Happy birthday, Anshum, my only wife, for whom I care the most. 2020 has been a magical birthday because it was followed by 14 days of quarantine. May God fulfill all that you wish and desire. Let this day bring in lots of love, fun, and happiness now and forever. I only wish that this technology was not there so that the world would not know that how much I love it.
Happy birthday, Mama, once again. I know we have been wishing you since midnight. 24th May 2020 is very special and meaningful as it has arrived just after you have won your battle with COVID 19. People say it's like a second life or a new birth. So I ask God to bless you with good health, happiness, peace, and above all, with His wisdom to help you walk in His ways, fulfill His plans made for you, and moreover, walk in faith. बस अभी के लिए इतना ही, बाकी सब तो आपको पता है। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मेरी माँ। लव यू।
Happy birthday to you, Didi. In a way, it is a really new birthday. And I don't mean only because you've successfully and very happily come out of the quarantine. If you look at the positives, then we have much to be grateful for. Nevertheless, you worked so very hard in your life. And now that you've retired, it is almost like you are beginning a new life. For that, I wish you immense, immense happiness. Please try and find your true desires. You owe it to yourself and to all of us. As women, we naturally take the back seat, always, to face the challenges and the hardships of life. Now that you've raised your family so very successfully and have done everything that you could do, it is time to take a back seat and let them do what they owe you. Underneath all the simplicity and underneath all the innocence of yours, the real self is somewhere waiting to come out. It's time to give the real Manju a chance now to surface again. As an elder sister, you've always been wonderful. You've actually taken me to colleges to get me my admission. You innocently believed in my drawings, and you took me to the College of Architecture thinking that I could get my admission there. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for always being there for us. And thank you for doing whatever you could. But do not forget to look after yourself. You owe it to us and to your family. Love you always. Have a great day in your Didi.
So, Didi, go ahead. Grab a saltless, butterless, diet popcorn. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the greatest show of your own life, where the heroine is none other than Manju herself. Have a great life and enjoy the show.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मंजू। आज तेरे लिए एक सरप्राइज है। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। मंजू को याद करते ही पहला थॉट जो मन में आता है वो है अच्छा अच्छा यमी यमी खाना जो हमें मंजू ने खिलाया है। और उसके साथ जो हमारे कॉलेज डेज़ के एग्ज़ाम्स की जो सेकंड शिफ्ट हमारी चलती थी, हम रात को देर तक जागते थे और रिंकू भी हमारे साथ बैठा रहता था। जैसे मंजू रात को सेकंड शिफ्ट में कचौड़ियाँ बनाती थी, हम खाते थे और उसके बाद सारे ही सोने चले जाते थे। एग्ज़ाम गया भाड़ में मेरे लिए तो मंजू हमेशा एक फ्रेंड, एक सिस्टर, एक बड़े भाई, सबकी इसने पूरी कमी पूरी की है। और ईशा की शादी में तो इसने मम्मी की भी कमी पूरी कर दी। जैसे मम्मी सबको संभाल लेती शादी पे, इस तरह मंजू ने सबको यहाँ पर संभाला और मुझे इस चीज़ से बिल्कुल फ्री रखा। तो इस थैंक यू तो कोई वर्ड ही नहीं है इसके लिए, लेकिन हम लोग ब्लेस्ड हैं कि तू हमारी लाइफ में है। और हम सब प्रे करते हैं कि तेरे को भगवान बहुत अच्छी हेल्थ, लंबी उम्र दे, हमेशा खुश रहे, स्वस्थ रहे और हमारे साथ रहे। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Hi, so I am here at it again. The most difficult or toughest part of my life is to sum up my equation with you, Mama. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being the pillar of strength of our family. Thank you for inculcating and imbibing those great values in us. I mean, I've always been known as a mama's boy, and I take a lot of pride in that. I don't want this video or message to be high on emotions or high on sentiments. So let me just share a memory with all who are viewing this video. Mom has been such a inspiring personality in my life, and she's taught me at various junctures of my life. So one memory that I would like to share is, Mom, I hope you remember this or you recollect this. When I was in my 10th standard, my mom was a maths and science teacher for 9th and 10th standard. I had algebra and geometry. I used to hate geometry to the core of my heart. And I remember one fine day during some test, my maths teacher told me that your mom is the one who had set the paper, and I was astonished. I was like, wow, mom has set the paper and I didn't even come to know, neither has she told me. So during the prelims I was pretty lazy. Geometry I used to always be thorough with 70% of the preparation, and 30% are the group D sums. I think mom will be able to relate to it. I just walked up to her and I don't know, I just said it in flow without getting scared that Mom, tomorrow is my geometry prelim paper. I am not able to do this group D sums. Could you give me some importance? And a tight slap on my face and get out, get out. You want to cheat? You want me to cheat in my profession? Just get out of here. Oh, I mean, I was shattered. I was devastated. I was like, why is mom behaving or overreacting so much? I mean, I didn't have the maturity at that point of time to understand. But years down the line, when I used to interpret or analyze that situation, and even today, she's imbibed some good qualities in me. She's taught me even in that. Something such as honesty, integrity, not deceiving your profession or not deceiving anyone else. I mean, she's taught me at various junctures of my life. So thank you for that, Mama. I know I'm talking a lot. Even the day would fall short if I continue talking about you. And since it's your birthday, I'm trying my hand at something which I have never tried before. I hope you like it. I'm going to sing something for you. Everyone, pardon me for my not so melodious voice. So, Mom, something that epitomizes and encapsulates your personality is, तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। Love you, Mama. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi Masi, happy birthday. Wish you a great day and great health in the coming times. और आप जल्दी से ठीक हो, then we'll come to meet you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Happiest birthday, Masi. Hope you're enjoying your day. This is a sweet and a small message from your side, from our side to you. I hope you like it. Please enjoy your day.